Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. If you are cooking and you will need coconut milk as one of your ingredient in your recipe and it's not available in the market, if you can't buy the fresh coconut milk, you can either use the canned coconut milk or the powdered coconut milk. So this time, we will be using the powdered coconut milk. Keep on watching.
Using the coconut milk powder, so we're gonna put it, mix it with water.
Isagol ang powder, nga coconut powder, sa tubig.
Just
Kana siya kay
leftover of the.
Oh.
Yeah.
Dili na siya full.
Approximately
Half na siya.
Half.
Katunga. Katunga din. Kan sobram na sa mugi itong nagkuan mi nag Pickle Express mi ba. Yeah. Sobra. Abangan ti kami.
I can handle this one. So the next thing is you stir, mix it, stir.
Kayon i-mix. Sagol.
Why is that working?
Guro dapat init nga tubig imong ikuha na init ba?
Is this a cold water? Tap water?
Tap water na siya. Okay ra na eh. Masagol na dito eh. Gusto ka imong i-microwave. Di na, no need na.
It would be easier to mix this one with the warm water.
Tip number 1. Kung mag-mix daw ko ng kaong powder, coconut powder, mas maayo kung init-init na tubig.
Lukewarm.
Pero murag
Because the tap water here is like very cold.
Tinoon, ice cold ang tap water diri. Mayroong English people da.
Of course.
Of course ka dyan. Take mo dahil else.
No need.
Numit ka dyan.
I think this will do. Or you have to mix it more.
Okay na na eh. Mo mix na na dito.
Okay.
Sagol na ron.